Another day, another vlog mga mi. Nag-staycation na naman ang pamilyang ito. This time sa Rove Hotel at the Park. Alam nyo naman tayo mi, mahilig sa good deals. Kaya nung nag-sale ang Rove Hotel, grab agad natin yan. Itong branch na to sa At the Park, first time namin dito kaya super excited kami. Wala silang valley parking sa pagkakaalam ko ha. Kaya bumaba muna kami sa harap tapos si Mod na ang bahala mag-park. Pagpasok pa lang sa reception, ang ganda na. Very clean, very welcoming at super accommodating pa ng mga staff. Plus, may pa-welcome drinks pa sila. Love it! Meron din silang free shuttle bus going to different locations. Pause nyo na lang to see the schedule. Pagdating sa room, ang ganda. Very minimalist and relaxing yung vibe. Parang perfect spot to chill and reset. At syempre, bonus pa yung view. Pagka-settle namin, diretso swimming agad. Yung pool nila around 4 feet lang. Wala ngang kiddie pool pero sakto naman yung floaters ni baby kaya enjoy pa rin siya. May sprinkler din for kids kung gusto nila magtakbo-takbo at magpasaan. Super cute! After lumangoy, nagutom na agad si baby. At syempre ako din ni. Sabi ko nga, if the baby eats, we eat. After namin maligo, naglakad-lakad kami papunta sa Outlet Village. Katapat lang siya ng hotel kaya very convenient. Ang saya mag-ikot lalo na may sale pa. Pero in fairness, akala ko mura like Outlet Mall. Hindi pala. More on luxury and premium brands pala sila. So ayun, tingin-tingin muna tayo mi. Window shopping is still shopping, di ba? Nag-dinner na rin kami doon at marirecommend ko talaga itong Bofalitos. Ang sarap ng grilled chicken nila. Juicy, flavorful, sulit ang bayan. Kinabukasan, breakfast buffet time! Masarap din ang food nila. You can order one main dish, then the rest unlimited na. May breads, rice, meat, salad, cheese, drinks, at may Arabic dishes din for a nice twist. If you have kids, perfect din tong hotel kasi may play area for both small and big kids. Pati tayo mi, pwedeng maki-enjoy. May gym din, laundromat, and Choi Trum's grocery inside the hotel. Very convenient kung gusto mo mag-quick snack or essentials. Overall, worth it talaga ang stay namin sa Rove. Relaxing, fun, and family-friendly. Parang home away from home. So ayan me, if you're planning your next vacation, Rove Hotel at the Park is definitely worth checking out. See you on my next vlog me. Don't forget to like, follow, and share.